incident where a lot of young people have died, and at the beginning it was avoidable. The government has to take strong measures where illegal mining is totally stopped. We just can't deny the fact that it's happening, but at the same time, a lot of strict action must be taken against those who are carrying out illegal mining, and also to have some measures to not allow anyone to do it in the first place. It's not something that can be hidden and done. Everybody is visible from every angle. Therefore, efforts must be done by the government to stop this, so that such unfortunate incidents and people losing their lives is very sad. My heart goes out to the families of those who have lost their near and dear ones, and may God give them the strength to bear the loss. I would suggest that the state government should do a proper investigation, whether they need an independent inquiry or whether they need some independent sources to do it for them. That's for them to decide. But some action has to be taken to stop, completely stop, because we have raised the issue many a time in the house and even other circles, that the illegal mining and transportation of coal has to stop. Otherwise, these incidents will happen again. Then you got to stop it. Let's not deny it. I mean, I'm not want to blame anybody or anything, but these are illegal activities. Under the law, it is not allowed. Simple as that.